That's alright, I'll just probably take the mic out. Alright, I'm going to create my soldier quickly, I'm just going to check out my loadouts. Alright, what gun was it with the almost camo? Oh! I need 27 kills with that gun. Alright, do you want to go into regular chat? Oh. Do you want to go in regular chat? Yo, yo, yo! It's Norm! Can't even be bothered to do intros yet. I'm thinking about doing intros soon, but I'm not going to bother at the moment. Ah, what the freaking balls! My phone just dropped. Yeah, I'm playing Call of Duty Ghost of Tsushima 85. Ah, it's so annoying. Oh, 360 CXP needed for new level. How do we get active in-game bonuses? Yeah, I'm trying to find out how you get in-game bonuses. Let me see. Marksman 1 SCR 2010. Get 25 kills. Right, how many? Oh, I need 12 squad points for that new class loadout. God damn it! I've only got 3 loadouts, by the way. One minute. I need to change something. Oh wait, crap. Wait. Oh no, why didn't I do that? Why didn't I take the attachment off? Alright, do you want to do what we did yesterday? Or if you want to get more level up quick, I'd do a different match. Or search and rescue maybe, or search and destroy? Alright, come on, you load it up. I'm going to keep looking at my soldier. Oh, don't worry then. I wonder if they can hear us yet. Right, let's do it, Team YOLO. Woo! I like Stormfront the map. I'm voting for it. I don't care. Search and rescue Stormfront. Well, I'm going to do that to mess around. You must wait 5... Oh, what? Every time you change your vote, you have to wait an extra second to change the vote. So I've got to wait 7 seconds to change the vote back to Search and Rescue Stormfront. Oh wait, it only goes up to 6. I think we're going to have to leave because there's no one here. Let's go, 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 YOLO! Oh, I like Chasm. There's a camping spot all the way at the back of the map somewhere. It's like a really good camping spot with a riot shield. Yeah, if we don't, let's just do search and destroy. I don't think we're even going to get into a game. And why are you a girl in real life? Oh. So you like being a girl character then? You know your player is a girl. Oh, we got the same costume on. We literally got the same costume. Let's leave. Let's leave and do search and destroy or something like that. Dun 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 dun. Come on, work for us. Thank you. Can they hear us? That's good. Oh wait, no. Let's do it, Team YOLO and 2 other guys. Woo woo, Team YOLO. YOLO cast. Yellow cast. We couldn't spell yellow, so we put YOLO instead. I can't even hear you, it's still loading up. Here we go. I want my loadout too. I need to get 27 kills with this gun. I need to hope I get a lot of kills. It's the SA805. SA805. I think it's a machine gun. I walked in like a boss, you know. Wait, ready? Like a boss. Oh no, he's there. There's a guy there. Bitch. He just came at us with a riot shield, just like a boss. I ran out like a boss. Noticed him. It should still be there. Oh god. Gunfire, come in. Oh my, almost killed him. I stabbed him! I stabbed the right shield guy. I killed him. I got to earn a 3 non-kill streak kills. No, what the hell? Why would you kill me with a right shield? Such a noob. Why? Get out of the way. I'm killing this guy. He stole everything from me. Oh, what the hell? These guys, they're camping on the rooftops. They're all camping on the rooftops. Come on. How did I not stab him? That makes freaking no sense. I stabbed him. I jumped and stabbed him. Oh my days! Wow! How am I not killing these guys with double guns? Oh wow, these guys are camping on top near the petrol station. Right, I'm going to risk it. Going in. Oh, right shield. Where's the right shield? There's a right shield on the floor and I can't even pick it up because I can't find it. Where's the right shield? There it is. Oh, bitch. I get killed. Yes, I got a right shield. I picked up someone's right shield. Ha ha ha. What the hell? How do you you snipe me with a flipping riot shield? No! No! What the frickin'... No. Oh my... No! These guys. How is no one killing them up there? Oh, my tomahawk just missed barely. Let's go a bit. I went to kill him. Oh god, someone's here. Ah, shot him. Ha! I'm like one of the guys on the rooftop with the snipers. And then I got killed by the vital guy. Oh wait, I was just in the bit. Oh, what the freaking balls! One of them's got a rocket launcher. One of them's got a flipping rocket launcher. I swear no one uses rocket launchers anymore. Oh crap. Wow! Oh, for God's sake, I swear to God. So I saw that kill as well. Come back! And I used the machine gun on him. Headshot. What? Hacker. This guy's hacking. This guy's hacking. How can I not kill him when he's right next to me? Can't be. The right shield guy killed him when he's right next to me. God, I'm afraid of getting killed on the building. I'm on top of the building just camping because I just got hit by something. You're right underneath me. Destroyed SATCOM. Shit, someone's there. I can just tell. Oh no, you're dead. Oh crap. Ah, gotta kill this gun. Like a boss. Oh, that's lucky it weren't me. Lucky it weren't me. It's not me, I know that. I know it's not me for sure. Because I'm on top of the building, just up there, behind in the background. I'm on the building in the background. The one with the hole in the wall. Oh, I got 6 kills. One or two of them was with a knife. One of them was with a double gun, I reckon. So that would mean I probably got 3 kills with the machine gun. Let me just check. Yeah, I've only got 24 kills to go. You might not want to be in there when your mum comes back. My little sister. Ah, what? This map is well gay. Asda. Oh, is that home now? No, it's not. Oh, I remember this map. This is the one where I jumped in front of the helicopter. 7. I remember this map. This is the one where I jumped in front of the helicopter. Stupid deaths, stupid deaths. Oh. Ah, crap, I forgot the song. Yes, this is the helicopter. Watch my death. Watch my death, ready? Watch my death. I'm gonna commit suicide. Ready? Ready? Hello! Oh, what? I died 5 seconds after I jumped. Why did I drop a suitcase? And 1 kill from behind. Got him. I rescued someone. No. Bitch. I just got fragged. I was trying to throw it and run, but I didn't do it in time. Oh, I'm in the house. The best camping spot. Yeah. Oh, what? I was shot from behind when I was on the toilet. Why would you do something like that? Why would you kill me on the toilet? That's very perverted. You naughty boy. Oh, I just saved someone. Oh, not really, but... How did my tomahawk not kill him? And he's right in front of me. I see you, I see you. You're going in for the kill. I'm right behind you. I'm literally right behind. Oh, I'm going to see if I can jump that. Move that way. Oh! Oh! I did not know you could get on this roof. I'm going to camp here and watch this. An info motion sensor. Whatever it is. Oh god, there's a guy on the rooftop. Oh, what the frag? He just came from my right. Oh god, someone's here. Ah, I'm bleeding as well. He almost killed me. How? How did I not knife him? Jesus! Hackers! Hacking! I stabbed him! Oh, no! No, this guy is speed hacking. He cannot stab me from all the way over there. No, we've got a hacker in the game. There's a guy hacking in the game. He just speed hacked me. He just, out of nowhere, he just ran and speed hacked. How did that tomahawk miss him? There's a guy speed hacking, just to let you know. Because he cannot stab me from that distance. No! I stabbed someone though. I'm not stabbed, a double pistol killed him. Someone in this house, I know there is. Someone upstairs, I think. How did my Tommy Hawk not kill him? No! No! I threw the throwing gun at him, throwing knife at him, and he didn't even die. No! These guys! Right, he dropped a suitcase. And 1 kill with a headshot. Yeah, I got field orders complete. Headshot field orders. Ah, I was about to shoot him as well. Oh god, frag grenade. no one died, that's good. I just picked up a gold gun and I'm getting shot at. I picked up a gold gun, it looks beast. I'm going to camp here so that I know they're coming. Oh, I've got a care package! I've got a flipping care package. If I die next, it'll let me use it, like literally. Like, as soon as I die, I'm using it. Come on, come and get me. You know you want me. Why ain't no one coming after me? And I'm like, yes, thank you. Thank you for killing me. I just used a care package. I just used a care package. Oh, I've got guard dog! I've got a freaking guard. Oh no, I was about to use it. Oh, nice. I've got guard dog and everything. Oh, this is sick. Come on, dog. You know what you're doing. We've got to go find Jakey and protect him. Come on, dog. Oh no! Where's my dog? Come on, come on, dog. Oh, Jakey's down this way. Let's go meet up with Jakey. Look, Jakey. Look, got my dog and everything. Norm Jr. I'm calling him Norm Jr. I'm calling my dog Norm Jr. Go on, Norm Jr. You know where to go. Whee! Fire tomahawk just in case. Nothing. Got no kill. Oh, I got first place kill. Get him, dog. Oh, my dog killed him. My dog killed him like a boss. Someone coming behind us. Yeah, especially when my dog's here. Oh, that was you. It scared the crap out of me. Oh, the way I've got a dog and everything. The way I've got a dog and everything. That was beast. My dog hasn't died yet. Oh my god, I got a dog. That's like the first time I've got a dog. It's the first time I've got a dog. Yeah, his name's Norm Jr. No, his dog. I know the name, but I'm calling him Norm Jr. I know it's Riley, but I'm calling him Norm Jr. You can't take that away from me. Alright, let's see how much kills we need. Oh! We need 19 kills with this gun. For my first camo. Which is snow camo. SA 805. I think it comes under as assault rifles. Oh, let me see. Oh, I got 10 squad points. That's not enough to get loadout for. That was freaking beast. I've got a dog and I'm recording it and everything. Yes. I told you before. Are we going yet? Yeah, we're going to do search and destroy. Because if we are, I'm going to change my guns quickly. I want to see how much it is for a rocket launcher. Oh, Jesus. I can buy any rocket launcher I want. I'm buying this freaking launcher. Oh, Jesus. That is so beast. The MK32, the most expensive one. It fires 2 Semtex. It's a Semtex launcher. I'm going to use it with my loadout 3. Yes, I am actually. I'm ready like a boss. Search and destroy. Search and destroy. Like an Asian person. It's not gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, go on then. Any. Right, let's see. Oh, gun game, sweet. Alright. Probably you, but okay. I'm well crap at gun game. Wait, is it finished? Oh, it's freaking finished. That was fast. I'm freaking finished. Finished when we joined. Yeah, we won. We got 9th and 8th place, whatever it is. Wait. Oh no, we got 7th and 8th place. Oh Jesus, this guy's got a sick helmet. The top guy has a sick helmet. Oh, freefall, I want that, yeah. Let's do freefall. I want to do freefall. Yes! My first time I'm flipping freefall. This is my first match of freefall. This is literally my first match of freefall. How do you play freefall? I've never played it before. This is my first freefall match. Dude, you still there? Oh my Jesus, that's my first one. Still there, dude? Oh, you are? Oh my freaking balls, this is so cool. Where am I? I don't even know where I am. I don't even know where I am. All I know is I've just got a gun and it's a corner. I've got a hit. Oh, I've got someone there. Yes, I got a kill. I've got a kill. Guy spawned next to me. Now I've got a shotgun. Oh yes, I've got an assault rifle. Oh my Jesus, I'm doing so good. I'm doing so freaking good. Oh Jesus, I got a beast gun. I got a beast gun and I died. Oh, I'm the best. I'm the best in the game. Ah, who killed me? That's not you. I'm not letting you kill me. This is my first time I'm actually doing good on gun game. I'm on one of the best guns. What the freaking balls? Oh great, so now I'm the 4th best player. Gun promotion. Gun promotion. I just got 2 kills in one area. Gun promotion. Gun. Oh god! What gun have I got? Oh, I'm doing 2nd best. I've got one of the best guns. Oh, this guy camping as well. Oh, I've got rocket launcher. I have a flipping rocket launcher. I had a rocket launcher and I just used it. And I got a kill. What the hell is this? Is this a sniper? Ha! I got him. Ah, I died from heights. And I got an AK-47 by the look of it. My Jesus, my first time I'm winning a gun game. Oh no, I got final killed. YOLO, I'm third place. Wook wook. Wook wook. Wook wook. And I leveled up. Wook wook. Even though I got killed, I did get the best. I got the third best. Wook wook. And a rocket launcher. And I had my last kill was with a sniper. My last kill was with a sniper. Jesus, that was so cool. Oh my freaking. Oh. Where's gun game? Where's gun game? Let's see the progress of gun. I can't even find it. Oh, I need one more ninja defuse and I can have good stuff. I need one more search and rescue kill. I need one diffuser kill and one search and rescue kill. And then I've got some stuff. I came level 15, I came third place. These guys must be terrible then. And I haven't even played since yesterday and 4 months before that. Oh yes, double pistols. Can't see anyone and I'm in that building. God damn it. I hate this build. Oh no, there's probably going to be someone spawning next to me. Crap. Probably going to be dead within the next few seconds. Oh. You'll never find me. Oh crap, someone's just seen me. God, someone just shot at me. Why can't I just knifed him instead. I just knifed him with my ammo empty. Troll, and I have my ammo empty as well. Oh, you just got me an achievement or something like that. It just said, get a kill while with no ammo and with a knife or something like that. Shotgun. Oh, I just earned the squad point. God, he must know I'm up here. He must know I'm behind him. Ah, I just knifed 2 guys. Like a boss. I am knifing mad. Why would you camp? Why would you camp there? I don't understand. You're literally in a corner. Why would you camp in a corner? Swear to God, I'm gonna kill this guy. Look from behind, make sure there's no one after me. You better not still be freaking there. Yay, someone killed him. Oh! Yeah, I just got killed by Han Deathmatch or something like that with a shotgun. There's a guy camping inside that building, like he's camping in the corner. How? I made him blow himself up! What a noob! What a noob! And I got a gun for it, making him blow himself up. Ha! Total recon, more like total noobcon. Oh, I just died from heights. What? How did I lose my gun just for jumping? I just lost my gun for jumping off and dying from heights. Oh, freaking, what the fuck? Why would you camp? Ah, someone just gave me a kill the top player 3 times in a row. No, I'm not at the squad point. Oh no! From the side. From the side like a knob. Just because I'm doing better than them. And you. Wait, am I? Oh no, you're doing better than me. You're doing better than me. You're doing 2 deaths better than me. I'm trying to make sure I don't die from behind. Ah, I knifed someone. I knifed someone. Like a boss. Yeah, thanks to the gun promotion. Oh, I just killed you! Oh wow, I just killed my own teammate. Oh, got someone in the background. Someone's coming for me. Ah! I still killed him. Now I've got like a red dot sight. Really death machine by the look of it. No, did I? I got like a red dot sight gun. Oh! Where am I? Oh, what? I'm 6. I'm 6th best. Can we play search and rescue? No, search and destroy, so I can defuse one more bomb. Alright, Survivor, the bigger they are, ICU resistance. Unlocked at level 16. Give me a minute. Right, that's the class. ICU, what's that do? Oh! Oh! I am attaching that. I am freaking attaching that. Alright, going now. Oh my freaking balls. Oh my freaking balls. Alright, let's do search. Oh, I'm infected then. Alright, go on then. Oh, I gotta do switch the game channel. God damn it. God damn it. Yo, did you switch the game channel? God damn it. 1 million FU wants to be your friend. I don't even know who the hell you are, so why would I want to be your friend? Lord! Oh my god, it's not even going to work. We need to find 6 more players playing as Norm. I need 12 stop. Oh, don't tell me she's back. No, she's not. That's alright. We're going to leave lobby and go for another lobby. What's freaking got? I've got 3rd place. I've got freaking 3rd place and I got guard dog today. My luck is just good at this game. Yeah, search and destroy. I need to get 1 ninja defuse. Yep. While it happens, I'm just going to check my stuff. Oh, what? I can't buy a reticle for a sniper. Oh, wow. No, exactly. New customization items are available. Uniform. What new uniform did I unlock? No, I've already got that. Got that. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm just looking through my suits. No, I don't want to change mine to a lady. I got a sick, no, I'm Norm, the legend. Oh, that is sick. No, I'm Norm, the legend. That's what my player patch is. What are you? Are you a legend on it, or? There's any other ones I've got special game ones. Play Extinction at Make 3. I can't get any of those. Let me see. Special. What kind of suits are they? You get special suits. You can get. Oh my god. Oh my freaking balls. You can get special suits if you buy them from school. Store. You can get Keith and he looks like a guy in a coat. You load it up, yeah? You're gonna change it. Yeah, just change the lobby. I already have. Actually, I might change it again, actually. Yeah, I wanna... Yeah, go ahead. I'm just gonna change my... how do I do it? That head, that's it. Male C, how do I change headgear, that's it. Do I want to look like a ranger or do I want to look like a pro? Let me see. Yeah, let's be a ranger, why don't we? You be a ranger. Go on, I don't care what you be, I'm gonna be a ranger. I'm a ranger, baby! I put on, what suit is it that almost matches his? I put on the PMC Elite Assault suit. That looked exactly like it. What suits can I buy? Oh wait, Ranger's Assault. Yeah, I'm gonna use Ranger's Assault suit. I've only got 1 out of 25 and 1 out of 30. It's the top one. I've changed my player patch to the Legend, and my background to Call of Duty goes to Call of Duty Black Ops 2. 50,000 bees versus the Legend. Like a boss. The Legend is alive. Right. Customise. Let's see what patches I've got. I should have more patches. Oh god, that's a hell load of patches. I'm keeping the Legend, but I want to see what good patches I've got after that. Wait, what was that? 18 out of what? 8? Oh, 950. Wow. Oh, what's this? Sprint 5 miles using Marathon. I have to freaking go. Bye.